Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some frozen chicken wings. Okay? And I have a new way of fixing these. So they'll be nice and crispy. One of my daughters just dropped by and she wants some don't need nothing but a good letting alone chicken. That's what she called it. So, okay, this is what I'm going to be doing. Somebody cut grass. Okay, I'll be using my Cicero air fryer. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to drop the wings down in here. Come on now, open up. What you like, the leg part or the flat, the best?
The flats, but you can make me drums because I know you like the flats.
Yeah, I love the flats. I'm fixing all these for Amber. Because I'm putting them in this little pan first. I can't put that many in here. So you ain't getting them. Okay. See what I'm doing? I'm not even going to season them now. Y'all see what I'm doing? Okay.
I gotta be in the right state of mind to watch some of this stuff.
No, you would be right into the
Okay. I just set it for 8 minutes, 400 degrees. And then when this is done, I'm going to pour all that liquid off of these wings. That's why I put them in that little pan thingamajig. That's to get the best wings possible. Frozen wings. Come on now, you got to close. Okay, I'll be back. Put this back in the freezer. That ain't closed. Don't want no freezer burn. Okay, y'all, it just beeped. So this is how this chicken looks. Y'all can see the liquid in there. But now I'm going to really do the chicken. I wonder how thought out it is. Where's my... I need a skewer. See how thought it is.
Jackie, I don't know what, $10,
okay.
Whatever.
Not 2,000.
Whatever. That's when we got the other house. You know, and then I give it a little bit.
Okay.
I'm just showing you.
That's why I use this thing with the handle so I can get it out of here easy. I would have rather used something that was much wider so I can add more wings. That's hot. Let me get this out of my way. Uh-oh. Let me show y'all. See all that liquid down there? That comes from these frozen wings because they add some kind of liquid solution to them. Be back. Okay, I'm putting these wings in here. Now see?
So why don't you click ignore? So
I've been doing that for
Get this out my way.
Just so many of them.
Try these wings. Just as if they were fresh wings. Okay. There's a little bit of mustard in here.
I just want to see if you want to see what they look like. That's all. Now these, like I said, is on my mother's side.
Come on now.
They still around.
Okay, that's good.
Anyway,
Try to get every drop out of here. And this seasoning.
they are connected. Lord, I guess the Lord.
The Lord, we don't know
You know some
I'm adding some of this.
that.
Oh, this is what I use.
Baker.
Garlic, onion, and black pepper and sea salt by McCormick.
Yeah, because you see, Deidre, when
And I'm adding some of this.
I used to pick her up and bring her out to the house when she was little. She lived in the
Okay.
project, not project, I
Where my gloves at, y'all? Walter, you use about the gloves out of here.
Anyway, I would pick her up, go all the way down there.
Oh, let me fix this so it'll be ready. She wants some breaded chicken, so I'm gonna use this. Louisiana seasoned chicken fry, spicy recipe. So I'm gonna put this in my breader shaker bowl. Just need a little. Just little bitty wings.
23rd State Street, 23rd State. That's where she used to stay with my grandmother, my village. And I would take her to the kid. And we make that long ride.
It's seasoned.
Chicago Heights, 336.
Even though the breading is seasoned, I like for every bite you get to be seasoned. Now I'm gonna put these in here. See the breading is in the bottom.
Anyway, they thought she was in a way because her last name was Baker. Anita Baker was her name.
It's just an extra step, so your frozen wings can be extra good.
And she would play with the kids, play outside, play with them. And then I would take her all the way back on Sunday. And I would do that. I did that beautiful.
Shake it up. I had left all that juice in the air fryer and let the wings cook like that, then my chicken would have steamed. I don't want no steamed chicken.
She don't want to be bothered or
I want crispy.
I see her names in there and her two brothers, Cliff and Tyrone Baker.
That way.
They're a little bit older than that.
Okay.
I haven't seen them in years. Last time I saw them when they all were very little was when their mother passed away. We went down there.
Oh, I got a spring. Spray your breaded wings, y'all.
That was the last time I actually saw her brother.
I don't want to see no powder.
Doing that for her.
15 more minutes. And I'm going to set this for 400. Oops. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Her food is done and it's about to be served. Wingdings and big fries and ketchup. You want hot sauce? Okay, here's Amber. She had a taste for some of my don't need nothing but a good letting alone chicken wings. So I fixed her a few. So what's your name?
Amber.
Are you enjoying your chicken?
Yes, it's really good. It tastes like regular fried chicken. It's good.
Did I pay you to say that?
No.
Okay, thank you, Amber.
Said you give her a
Walter,
she didn't say it.
I'm gonna film you, man.
She said she'd give her a whooping and she didn't give her a nice report.
Now that's a lying wonder.